General Olusegun Obasanjo is the key to the transformation of Nigeria. If you ask me to give you political reasons, I don't have one. But I can tell you, beating my chest, that I have had encounters 2 times. Number one was a plane crash. The plane called Nigeria crashed. He was the one that came to pick the pieces. The former president of Nigeria, General Olusegun Obasanjo, is the key to the transformation of Nigeria. Any other noise anybody is making will not work. He alone is going to receive that information from God on what to do. No pastor will be able to do it. No church will. But that singular man, Olusegun Obasanjo, is the answer to Nigerians' cry. He has what Nigeria is crying for. Fine and good, our market has been invaded and our office has been disrupted. But there is still a difference between a mechanic and a madman. They may look alike, but when the right tools gets into their hands, you will know that there is a difference between a mechanic man and a madman. I will come back to tell you whether your governor will come back. Before you know it, Nigeria will be saved. But Olusegun Obasanjo needs to do something.